Good day everyone. Now in this video, we'll be looking at the Faraday's constant. Now the Faraday's constant is the total charge in coulombs carried by 1 mole of electrons, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 electrons. Now let's try and get this derivation. One electron, right? One electron carries a charge of 1.6 times 10 to the power negative 19 coulomb, right? This is the charge of one electron. Therefore, 1 mole of electrons, right? Which means 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 electrons will carry a charge of 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 times the amount of charge carried by one electron, right? 19 coulomb. So multiplying these two together, we obtained 96,500, and the unit of this is coulomb per mole, right? So this is the charge carried by 1 mole of electrons. Now take note of this value because we will be using this in our calculations. Now we have two questions over here. The first being, calculate the total charge in coulombs carried by 3 mole electrons. Now, from our derivation, we obtain that 1 mole of 1 mole electrons, right, carry a charge of 96,500 coulomb. Therefore, 3 mole electrons would carry x, right? So cross multiplying, we obtain x times 1. So what we are doing here is multiplying this by this and 1 by x, right? So we obtain x being equal to 3 times 96,500 coulomb. Therefore, x is 289,500 coulomb. So this is the charge carried by 3 mole electrons, right? It contains 3 times the charge carried by 1 mole electron. Now, in our next question, we've been asked to calculate the time needed to pass 0.5 mole electrons using a current of 25 ampere. Now, what can we derive from these parameters that we've been given? The first parameter that we've been given is the mole, right? And we've been given the mole and also the current. We've been given the mole as 0.5 and the current 25 ampere. And we are being asked to calculate the time. So we can use this equation Q, which is the charge being equal to the current times time, right? And why are we using this formula? We are using this formula because we have been given the current in the question, and we know that having 0.5 moles, right, we can calculate the amount of charge using the Faraday's constant, right? So if 1 mole gives us 96,500 coulomb, then half a mole gives us half that charge, right? And half of this is 48,250 coulomb. Therefore, we have our charge. So our charge is 48,250 coulomb, being equal to the current 25 ampere and the time we are finding T, right? So making T the subject, we obtain the time to be 1930 seconds. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe to be kept updated. This is Teach Me Maths. Bye.